Minister Humphrey for the invitation. I don't, count it lightly, but I do count it as an honor and a privilege just to stand here. My husband was like, "So you going to preach?" I was like, "No, I'm not going to preach. I'm not preaching. No, I'm just sharing."
There you go.
Just sharing God's word. That's all. I was like, He's called us all to be ministers and lift up His gospel. So I'm just sharing. That's all. Just sharing with my sisters a little bit. So I thank God for my Aunt Brenda for being here. I thank God for how He's brought her, and how just her sitting here right now is a living testimony, a living testament of His healing and of His love and of His grace. And I just thank God for healing her, and bringing her through some health challenges. And I just just thank Him and love Him for that. Okay, I'm sorry.
That's right.
Thank you, and I give honor once again to God, giving honor to the leaders of this house, to my own leaders,